Okay, so today we're going to be looking at editing the master slide. So here's how you edit the master slide, and here's kind of why it's important. So let's say I have all these different slides, and I decide I don't want to use Arial font. Arial font's a basic font, and I'm better than basic. So I'm going to go to Slide. I'm going to go to Edit Master. Then it shows me all of the different layouts that this theme has. The theme is the default theme on slides is Simple Light. And so let's say that I'm looking at all of these and I say, here's all the different layouts. Well, this one right here is like the biggest master one. And I change this to Oswald because that's the font that I like. And then I'm going to change this bottom font to ASAP. All of a sudden, now on every single slide, including the ones for my presentation here, everything is changed back to all the fonts have now changed to fall in line. Now, if I hadn't have done that, so let's say that instead these were just still Arial, and I only changed it on this slide. If I only change it on this slide, it's not going to change necessarily for all. Oh, hold on. Give me a second. So if I change it on the master slide, now let's say over here, I decide to change this one to Oswald. Well, it's not going to matter on any of the other ones. It'll only change it for this layout. So that's why it's important to change the font on the top one. So like I said, I say Oswald, and then my other font is ASAP. It's a font that I like. And my big thing is, and you will hear me talk about this to no end, is you go to Format Options up here at the top, and you drop a shadow. And that means that all of the words that you use now have a shadow dropped behind them. You can also do this for like color change and things like that.